I'm with the gang, 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 and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, 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 and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glowed up. We stayed down and came up, and came up. We stayed down and came up.
What's up there, YouTube? So thanks for tuning back in for another episode here. So this evening I'm kind of got a little stir crazy, and I've been thumbing around on Facebook, and I've got all these little projects I started and nothing's really completed. So I figured I'd go ahead and knock out the little window tint do-it-yourself video. So what we're going to be talking about is the little kit that you can get right off Amazon. It's like 27 bucks. I'll insert a little picture somewhere here, so that way you can see the little kit I bought. This tint kit is 35% tint in the front, on the front driver's side and passenger side door, and then it's going to be 20% on the rear two windows and then the rear hatch glass. So with that being said, the tint's already pre-cut, so let's go ahead and shift over and we'll see what we got going on here. All right, guys, so the tint itself is pre-cut, but it's in a roll that hasn't actually been punched out of its actual tint roll. So it's cut, but it's not cut in addition to the other. So I've got to pop it out. I hope that makes sense. I hope you can see these. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. And before we do, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you a little bit about kind of what we're going to use. So I used to do this a lot whenever I would really try to do it myself tint, and a lot of this was because it's what I'd seen used and it worked pretty good. So we've got baby shampoo. It's like Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo and just some warm water in a squirt bottle. And I've got a actually comes with a screen protector installation kit. It's just like a little index card. You can use a debit card. I just didn't want to potentially mess one of mine up. But we're going to go ahead and get this pulled out, get the window wetted down, and I'll show you the process as we go. So stay tuned here.
Represent the religion, ended up independent. Took my car to the clinic, let them check all the vitals. Middle finger to rival, Michael Jackson my idol. Still ducking the pie hole, talk to the plug every day except Cinco de Mayo. I still got me a Carlo, still got Monte Carlo. Your car running so bad, it's think up the Apollo. Call my Rollie a Rollo, call my AP a Al. I ain't talking seat belts when I say that I'm strapped. I'm in love with my side hoe, I sneaking through the side door. I'ma show you what we ride for. I'ma show you what we die for. Gang, 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 and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, 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 and you so below us.
All right, guys, change of plans a little bit. So the tint's not coming out of its stencil, and I lost a leg off the tripod as usual. So since it's not coming off, I'm gonna go ahead and wet down the actual window, because as soon as I get everything situated, or as soon as I get the tint pulled off of the film, then it's going to have to go directly over here. So I just want to make sure I've got everything lined up the right way, and I'll show you kind of how I use the solution here and what we're going to be doing. So you just want to get it as wet as possible.
Now we got stains on us, and all we gotta do is stay down and come up while they flexing. Yeah, I got an Indian, she Western. Yeah, I just had sex with one of your best friends. Then that Fast and Furious started nesting. You rockin' with the ether child and overdrive, yeah. I-5 to I-9, we go all night. Double low speed, double low shift.
All right there, guys. So I was able to go ahead and pull the tint off of the film. So it's pre-cut, but the way that they pre-cut it, they only pre-cut the tint side. So that way the back material of it will stay on the sheet. So I soaked the outside of the window just to see how well it lined up. And you can see here, there's a little room for adjustment. And it seems to be pretty forgiving. I won't know until I get on the inside, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to set up the GoPro camera on the inside so you can see it as I go to transfer. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch back over and we'll get started.
How you make it in your team still stay the same. Stay down from the jump and they never change. Man, it's a moment I could never trade. Yeah, I told my moms not to stress no more. Go hit the Bentley store and no credit card debts no more. I bought the crib and it's an escrow now, so you don't never have to worry about how you gon' pay rent no more. I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them, ordering bottles of the Ace when they send them. Till it ain't enough space up on the table to fit them. Go ahead and
raise a cup up for all my day ones. 2 middle fingers for the haters. Let's only getting greater. Straight up from nothing we go. Higher than the highest skyscraper. No little league we major. The proof is in the paper. We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the bad in the past, now we alright.
we alright. Pour some Clico in a glass, have a toast to success. No looking back from here, no more being broke and distressed. I put my heart into this game like I open my chest. We only pray for more M's while you hope for the best. We make these plays, man, I'm finessing these checks. Time's up for everybody, I'm collecting Odets. And I swear this champagne just tastes better on jets. I'm just out here being great, man, this is real as it gets. I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them, ordering bottles of the Ace when they send them. Till it ain't enough space up on the table to fit them. Go ahead and
raise a cup up for all my day ones. 2 middle fingers for the haters. Let's only getting greater. Straight up from nothing we go. Higher than the highest skyscraper. No little league we major. The proof is in the paper. We put the good in the good in the good life.
the good life.
The good in the good in the good
I said the
life.
good life.
Bad in the past, now we alright.
We alright.
Came up, stayed down. Came up, gang up.
One more ride, one more race. We go all out, we don't play.
One more ride, one more way. We don't slow down, ain't no breaks.
I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight. It don't matter what we face. I'ma go off,
I'ma ride tonight. I'm the master of my fate.
I'ma go off,
I'ma go off.
I'ma go off.
I'ma go off.
Yeah, I gotta go now. Taking off and I'm riding.
Put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last. I just pulled up in the Benz. It was just me and my mans. Fishbone
Alright guys, so there you have it. There's one door installed. I've got to continue to probably wipe a little bit down, heat on the inside. You can see a couple bubbles here and there, but I'm going to go ahead and massage it out. But so at this point, the instructions that came with it were very informative. The material itself was a little misleading. I thought it was all going to come out, and then I got to separate it from the cutout. But overall, it's a pretty decent fit. I'm a little dissatisfied with the total cut, because in order to get it to cut and, well, to get it to tuck back here, there's a slight gap in the front, and you'll probably never notice it unless you're outside and I take a photo on the inside. But so far, so good. I would say I'm pleased, but I just wanted to show you guys it's possible, how it works, what the product looked like, and kind of give you a sense of understanding. I'm going to go ahead and continue to do the rest of the car, but if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more content like this, leave me a comment in the comment section below. As always, guys, subscribe. I appreciate the support, and I look forward to the next one. See you in the next video.